Hi everyone, I am JITENDER KUSHWAHA. Here I am going to explain the procedure of analyzing and designing of Z+20 multi-storied building by using ETAP software. I hope this video may be useful to you. For making short video, I have divided this video into two parts. In first part, I will discuss about modeling and analysis, and in second part I will discuss about designing and detailing. So let's start. Step 1. Adding plan of the building made in AutoCAD or other drafting software. For this I am opening ETAP software. Now click on File menu, New Model. Select Use Built-in Setting with. Select Display Units as Metric SI, Steel Section Database as Indian, the Steel Design Code as IS 800-2007, and Concrete Design Code as IS 456-2000. Okay. Now I am using uniform grid spacing for making a simple story. Putting 4 meter spacing in each direction and 4 number of grid line in each direction. Select simple story data. Number of story is 20 plus 1, that means Z+20. Typical story height is 3 meter each. Bottom story height 2 meter basement plus 1.2 meter foundation depth. Click on custom story data to edit the story. Here we are using all the story in 4 parts. Every parts have 5 story. So starting story 21. Story 21 is master story and rest 4 is similar to 21 story data. Next, story 16 will be master story, and next 4 story will be similar to story 16. Now story 11 will be master story, and similar story 10 will be similar to story 11. 9 will be similar to 11. 8, 11. Story 7 will be story 11. Now 6. Story 6 will be a master story. Okay. And rest will be as story 6. Now click OK. Once more click OK. So first step is completed. Now go to second step. That is material properties. So go to define menu, select material properties, add new materials, region India, material type rebar, standard Indian, grade, select HYSD grade 550, click OK. All are OK. Now click on OK. Add new properties for concrete. Select region India, material type concrete, standard Indian, grade M30 and click OK. All are OK. Click OK. Click OK. Now our second step is also completed. Third step, section property. Go to define menu, select section properties. First we select slab section, add new property, slab 150 mm thickness, slab material as M30, thickness we are providing 150 mm. Click OK. Now go to define menu, section properties, frame section. Here we are adding beams and columns, so select add new properties, concrete rectangular, concrete, and then OK. Rename as column, size 400 into 400. Select material type as M30. Put the size depth 400, width 400. Now reinforcement, modify sorry bars. Since this is column, then OK. Longitudinal bar HYSD 550, HYSD 550. Ties OK, all are OK. Then click OK and OK. Add new properties for beam, concrete rectangular, concrete. Name the as beam. First we size provide 400 into 300. Select material as M30. Put the size 400 to 300. Modify sorry bar. Since this is a beam, select beam. Rebar material, longitudinal bar, select HYSD 550 in both. Top bar cover 25 mm, bottom bar cover 25 mm and click OK. Now OK. Here we are using 2 or 3 beams, so adding more. Then click add copy of property. This is a beam, hence 400 into 350 size, 400 into 350. Okay. Add one more. Beam 450 into 300. $450 to 300. Similarly, add one more. Beam 450 into 350. Now add more column. Column 450 into 450, 450, 450. Modify sorry bar column. Okay. Similarly, add two more. Column 500 into 500, 500 into 500. Okay, and one more column, 550 into 550, 550. Okay, add new property. We are selecting auto select. Property name auto beam. Select concrete. Since they are beam, select all the beam. Add one more auto. This is auto column. Okay, select concrete, all the column. Add and click OK. Now okay, our third step is completed. 4. Modeling of the plan, which is time consuming, but our structure is simple, so it will not take many time. Here first we select similar story and go to story 6. Click on quick draw column. Select auto column. Okay, and drag all the columns. Okay, now go to quick beam. Select auto beam. And drag. Now beam has added. Check beam is correct or not. Right click on the beam, check assignment, that is beam, auto beam selected. Okay, now go to the story 11. Select column, add column, select beam. Okay, similarly go to 16 story, select, similarly draw the column and beam in story 16. Now go to 21 story and draw the column, draw the beam. Now select slab, select slab 150 and drag. Slab has been created. Similarly all the story, draw the slab. Okay, our fourth step has been completed. Now step 5, that is assign load. First dead load, live load, wind load and earthquake load. For this I have calculated some loads, that is on slab finishing approx 1 kilonewton per meter square. So first go to select object type, floors, select, okay. Go to assign cell load uniform 1 dead load, apply and okay. Assign cell load uniform 1, apply and okay. Let's check dead load is assigned or not. Select object, floor, select, okay. Assign uniform live load 2.5. Check that load has been assigned. This is 2.5 of live load and dead load is 1. Now load on the beam by exterior wall, that is 11.261. So select similar stories and select all the exterior wall. And assign frame load distributed, that is 11.261. Apply, okay. Now select interior wall. And assign distributed load, that is 5.64. apply. Okay, now go to story 11 and select all the exterior wall. Assign frame loads distributed, that is 11.261. Apply. Okay, now select interior wall. .64. Apply. Next 16, 17, 16 story. Select assign distributed 11.261. Apply. Okay, now select interior wall. Assign frame load, that is 5.64. Next one is 21. Select all the exterior wall. Assign frame load, that is 11.261. Apply. Okay, select interior wall. Assign frame load 5.64. Now since top story has not wall, they are parapet wall, so we have to consider as parapet wall in exterior. So select one story. Select exterior wall. Assign frame load distributed load, that is 1.77 parapet wall, 1.77 kilonewton per meter. Okay, and since there is no wall, then we have to delete this. Now come to 17. There should be parapet wall, so we have to consider as parapet wall. Assign frame load distributed, that is 5.64. Apply. Sorry, this is parapet wall, then we have to consider as 1.77. Apply. And this load as a exterior wall. so this can be changed 11.261. okay, now go to 16. Here this will be parapet wall, so click and assign frame load as 1.77. apply, and this will be exterior wall, so select assign frame distributed, and this will be 11.261. apply. okay, now this will be exterior wall, but here this will be parapet wall, so select assign and 1.77. okay, and it will be exterior wall, so assign frame load distributed 11.261. okay, now okay, all has been done. Now select all the column of basement, assign joint restraint, select apply. okay, now define load patterns. Here add wind load, type wind load, select wind. Auto level lateral load, type IS 875 1987, add new load. Now click on Indian IS wind load, click on modify lateral load. Here see IS 875 1987 part 3 and check wind speed, terrain category, structure classes, etc., and put that values and click OK. Similarly, add earthquake load, type EQ X plus, select type seismic. Now auto lateral load, select Indian standard 1893 2002 and add earthquake in Y direction, type seismic. Auto lateral load IS 1893 2002. Now modify lateral load, uncheck all the buttons, all the directions except X direction for EQ X plus. Find zone factor from IS 1893 2002. Here we are in zone 2, so zone factor is 0.1. Site type soil is medium, so we consider site type 2 and click OK. Similarly, Y direction, modify lateral load, uncheck all the direction except Y direction and click OK. Now go to analyze section, check model and click select all. OK. Now go to define menu, load combination. Since we have selected all the combination, if there is no data, then add default design combo and select frame design and click OK. Then it will be appear. Then OK. Now click on run analyze. Wait a moment, it will take a minute. Now our analysis has been completed. Thank you for seeing this video.